Create easy Christmas animation with Canva following these steps. Open Canva and in the search bar type Instagram. Choose Instagram story size. Now set up a red, Christmassy color for the background. In the text section, select Add Heading and type the first word from the phrase you want to highlight. Adjust the font to follow the festive style of design. Then click on the three dots and duplicate the page. Change the color from red to green, following the mood of Christmas. Change the text in the center. Repeat the action by duplicating the pages. Change the colors for the background so they don't repeat, always switching from red to green. Change the text in the center to finish the message. As the final touch, duplicate the page once again and add some Christmas illustrations, adding a light yet catchy animation to the illustration. Now click between the pages and add a transition style based on your preferences. Repeat the action to set up transitions between all pages. As the final touch, adjust the length of each page so the animation is catchy and active. Check the final result. Now when everything is ready, click the Share button and download an MP4 format to share via social media.